Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 14.1 question number 2. Given the line of symmetry, find the other holes. If you want to find the other holes, then you have to find holes in other hole is, here you see, this is the line of symmetry, this is the line of symmetry, and one hole is here, therefore the other hole will be at this point. Right? Here also see, this is the line of symmetry and this is one hole and the other hole will be at this point. Here also see, this is the line of symmetry, one hole is here, the other hole will be at this point. Here also you see, this is the line of symmetry, one hole is here, the other hole will be at this point. Here also you see, this is the line of symmetry, one hole is here, therefore another hole will be here at this point, and according to this hole, the another hole will be at this point. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.